Let's discuss PHP security, specifically focusing on file upload security. Implementing secure file upload mechanisms is crucial for protecting your web applications from potential threats. We will be exploring strategies and best practices to ensure your file uploads are handled securely. Here are some common file upload vulnerabilities. First, unrestricted file types. Allowing dangerous file extensions like .php, .exe, or .js can enable the execution of malicious code on your server. Second, insufficient size limits. Failing to restrict file sizes can lead to storage exhaustion and denial of service attacks. Now let's look at file type validation. Here's some sample PHP code that shows a basic file extension check. First, we define the allowed extensions like JPG, PNG, and PDF. After this, we get the file extension using the pathinfo function and convert it to lowercase using the string to lower function. Finally, we will check if the file extension is in the allowed extensions array. If it's not, it will die and the script will output invalid file type. Now let's discuss MIME type validation. Here's sample PHP code to do a secure MIME type check. We define allowed MIME types such as image/JPEG, image/PNG, and application/PDF. Then we get the actual file MIME type using the MIME content type function. And we check if the file MIME is in the allowed MIMEs array. If it's not, it will die and the script will output invalid MIME type. Next, let's look into file size validation. The code demonstrates implementing size limits. We define a maximum file size, for example, 5 × 1024 × 1024, which equals 5 megabytes. Then we check if the uploaded file size exceeds this maximum size, and also we check if the uploaded file size is 0. If so, then it will die and output that the file is too large or empty file. Now let's discuss secure file storage. This is how we handle safe file location and naming. First, store the files outside the webroot directory. For example, in a directory such as /var/upload/. Then generate a unique file name using a function like UUID, which stands for Universally Unique Identifier, concatenate with _time in the file extension. Then the full destination path is the upload directory concatenated with the safe name. Finally, use the move uploaded file function to save the file to the destination. Here is an example of a complete secure upload function. This function takes the file as input. The first step is to validate that the file exists and that there are no upload errors. If any of these checks fail, the function returns false. You will have to add all validation checks here. Then move the uploaded file from the temporary directory to the destination. Now let's discuss some security best practices. It is advisable to integrate virus scanning for uploaded files before storage or processing. Also, log all upload attempts and monitor for suspicious patterns or attacks. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.